What if you could make real money online? Starting today, not someday, not after weeks of setup. Today, I'm talking cash in your account within days, sometimes hours. Here's the thing most people don't realize. The internet has completely changed what's possible. You don't need a special degree, you don't need thousands of dollars in startup costs, you just need to know where to look, and that's exactly what this video is about. In this video, I'm breaking down 42 fast ways to make money online in 2026. Some of these take literally minutes to get started. Others take a few days to get approved and set up. But every single one is legitimate, like every single one pays real money, and every single one is available to you right now. I've organized them into categories so you can jump straight to what fits your life. Whether you've got 10 minutes a day or 10 hours a week, there's something here for you. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let me give you some quick context. More than 25% of workers now participate in the gig economy in some capacity. That's a staggering number, and it's only growing. Why? Because the barrier to entry has never been lower. You can sign up for most platforms on your phone during a lunch break. The real question isn't whether these opportunities exist, it's which ones are right for you. So keep that in mind as we go through this list. Think about your skills, your schedule, and how fast you need that first payout. Chapter 1, Microtasks and Surveys. Start earning in minutes. Number 1, KashKick. If you want the fastest possible path to your first payout, this is it. KashKick is a free platform where you can complete paid surveys, play mobile games, try new apps, and earn cash back on shopping. What makes it stand out? They pay in real dollars. $1 cash equals $1 USD. No confusing points to decode. Once you hit $10, you can cash out through PayPal or grab a gift card. Most payments arrive within 1 to 3 business days. One member earned over $1,200 in 2 years, mostly through cashback and games. That's real. That adds up. You can sign up in minutes and start earning today. Number 2, online surveys. Beyond KashKick. Paid surveys are one of the easiest ways to earn money quickly. Companies genuinely want your opinion. They use your feedback to shape products and marketing. Surveys typically take 5 to 30 minutes each. Payouts run anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey on platforms like KashKick. It's not going to replace a full-time job, but stacking up surveys throughout your week? That adds up faster than you'd think. Number 3, get paid to play mobile games. This one surprises people, but it's real. Platforms like KashKick pay you to download games like Solitaire, Merge Gardens, or Farmville and reach specific levels or milestones. It takes longer than a quick survey, but if you enjoy mobile gaming anyway, you might as well get paid for it. Number 4, website testing. Get paid to test websites and apps by recording yourself navigating them and sharing feedback. Platforms like User Testing pay for 15 to 20-minute tests. It's straightforward, flexible, and you can start applying the same day. Number 5, paid focus groups. Companies like User Interviews pay up to $200 or more for hour-long sessions discussing products or services. These aren't always available every day, but when you qualify, the payoff is significant. Chapter 2, gig work. Earn money this week. Number 6, deliver food. Apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats let you start earning within days of applying. You set your own hours, work as much or as little as you want. Here's a bonus. If you sign up through KashKick, you can earn an extra $100 for starting with DoorDash or $20 with Uber Eats. Those offer amounts can change, so check the KashKick deals page for what's live right now. Number 7, grocery shopping and delivery. Apps like Instacart and Shipt pay you to shop for groceries and deliver them to customers. Once your application is approved, often within a few days, you can start booking orders immediately. Number 8, rideshare driving. Drive for Uber or Lyft on your own schedule. After a background check, typically 3 to 7 days, you can start accepting rides right away. Weekly deposits or instant pay options are both available. Number 9, TaskRabbit. Complete odd jobs in your area, furniture assembly, moving help, handyman work, cleaning. After you're approved, you can start accepting tasks within days. This one's especially good if you enjoy working with your hands. Number 10, pet sitting and dog walking. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners who need reliable help. Once you're approved, you can start booking within the same week. Payments typically arrive 2 days after completing a service. Number 11, house sitting. Get paid to stay in someone's home while they're away. Platforms like Trusted House Sitters connect homeowners with reliable sitters. This one can even feel like a mini vacation while you're making money. Chapter 3, Freelance Skills. Turn what you know into cash. Number 12, freelance writing. If you can write clearly and meet deadlines, there is real demand for your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect writers with businesses needing blog posts, articles, and website copy. You can start applying for jobs the same day you create your profile. Most writers see their first payout within 1 to 2 weeks of completing a job. Number 13, virtual assistant work. Many small business owners desperately need help with email management, scheduling, and social media. If you're organized and communicate well, you could start earning as a virtual assistant within days of finding your first client. Number 14, social media management. Help businesses manage their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook accounts. If you already understand how these platforms work, that knowledge is valuable. Many entrepreneurs hire within days of finding someone they trust. Number 15, graphic design on Fiverr. Create logos, social media graphics, and flyers for clients. If you're comfortable with tools like Canva or Photoshop, you can set up a Fiverr gig today and start getting orders quickly. Number 16, proofreading and editing. Catch typos, improve clarity, polish content. Writers, authors, and businesses all need this. If you have a sharp eye for errors, there's consistent demand for your attention to detail on freelance platforms. Number 17, transcription. Listen to audio files and type what you hear. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe let you start the same day you pass their test. It's not glamorous, but it's legitimate, consistent, and flexible. Number 18, voiceovers. Got a clear, confident speaking voice? Record voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and e-learning courses. Platforms like voices.com or Fiverr are great starting points. A decent microphone, even a smartphone, is enough to start. Number 19, video editing. Content creators, businesses, and event planners all need video edited. If you know Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, editors who deliver fast are in high demand right now. Number 20, translation. Fluent in more than one language, platforms like Django pay you to translate documents and content. You can start as soon as you pass their language test. It's a skill that's always in demand. Number 21, online tutoring. Share what you know. Platforms like Wyzont and Tutor.com connect you with students. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, you can start teaching within days of approval. It's rewarding and pays well. Number 22, online coaching. Offer coaching in fitness, career development, or life skills. Build a profile on coaching platforms or market yourself directly. Some coaches book their first session within days of launching. Number 23, podcast editing. Podcasters need professional-sounding episodes. Many don't have the time or skill to edit themselves. If you understand audio editing and deliver reliably, you can land clients within days. Number 24, email campaign management. Help small businesses build and manage email campaigns on platforms like MailChimp. Many business owners need quick help and will hire within days if you understand the basics. It's a great recurring income source. Number 25, research projects. Conduct internet research for businesses, writers, or students. Many clients have urgent, time-sensitive projects and pay well for reliable research. You just need to be organized and thorough. Chapter 4, selling and passive income. Make money while you sleep. Number 26, sell what you already own. This is one of the fastest paths to cash, and you don't need to learn anything new. Take photos of things you no longer use and list them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Competitively priced items can sell within days. Number 27, sell handmade crafts on Etsy. If you make jewelry, art, candles, or other crafts, Etsy connects you with buyers worldwide. Some sellers make their first sale within days of opening their shop. It's a great way to turn a hobby into income. Number 28, sell digital downloads. Create planners, templates, printables, or guides, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Once created, a digital product can generate passive income. You do the work once and get paid over and over. That's the power of digital assets. Number 29, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through platforms like Printful. You handle the design, they handle production and shipping. No inventory required. Some creators make their first sale within days of launching. Number 30, self-publish ebooks on Amazon. Write and publish ebooks through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. While writing takes time upfront, some authors see their first sales almost immediately. And once it's live, it keeps earning passive income. Number 31, sell stock photos. If you take quality photos, upload them to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your image, you earn money. It's passive income that builds over time as your portfolio grows. Number 32, create and sell online courses. Package your expertise into a course on Teachable or Udemy. Creating quality content takes time, but once it's live, some instructors see first sales within days. Share what you know and earn while you sleep. Number 33, rent your parking space. If you live in a busy area, extra parking is worth real money. List your spot on Neighbor or Spot Hero and earn passive income within days of your first booking. It's easy, hands-off money. Number 34, rent your car. When you're not using your vehicle, it can be earning for you. List it on Turo. Some owners hand off the car using a lockbox without even meeting the renter. Payouts arrive 3 to 5 days after each rental ends. Chapter 5, unique opportunities, methods you might not have considered. Number 35, cashback on shopping. Earn money back on purchases you're already making. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta are classics. And if you're already earning on KashKick, you can also earn cash back through their shopping section. It's one of those things where you think, why wasn't I doing this sooner? Number 36, data entry jobs. Not the most exciting option, but data entry is available, accessible, and pays reliably. Input information into spreadsheets or databases for businesses. Basic computer skills are all you need to get started. It's consistent work. Number 37, remote customer service. Many companies hire remote reps to answer calls, emails, or chats from home. It's more of a structured job than a side hustle, but many people start within weeks. It offers stability and a steady income. Number 38, bookkeeping for small businesses. Help small businesses manage their finances using QuickBooks or spreadsheets. Many business owners hire fast when they find someone they trust with their numbers. It's a high-value skill that pays well. Number 39, mystery shopping. Evaluate customer service, store cleanliness, and shopping experiences for companies. Sign up through platforms like MarketForce or Bestmark. Payouts typically arrive 2 to 4 weeks after your first approved shop. Number 40, search engine evaluator. Rate the quality of search results for companies like Google or Bing. Positions open regularly through companies like Appen. If you have strong language skills and analytical thinking, this one is worth exploring. Number 41, offer quick services on Fiverr. Set up a Fiverr gig offering a small, clearly defined service. Some sellers get their first order within hours of launching. Think logo design, writing bios, making memes, whatever you can do quickly and well. Number 42, app and game testing. Get paid to test unreleased apps and mobile games, reporting bugs, and sharing feedback. Platforms like Playtest Cloud pay for your time. If you love being the first to try new things, this one's a natural fit. Get paid for your feedback. Okay, 42 methods. That's a lot to take in. So let me give you the most important takeaway from all of this. You don't need to do all 42. You just need to start with 1 or 2 that fit your skills and your schedule right now. And if you want the absolute fastest path to your first payout, KashKick is where I'd point you first. Sign up for free, complete a survey, play a game, hit $10, get paid in 1 to 3 days. It's that simple. From there, you layer in other methods as you get comfortable. The sooner you start, the sooner the money moves. Let's make 2026 your best year yet. If this video helped you, do me a favor and drop a comment below. Tell me which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button so you don't miss the next video. I'm covering more ways to earn, save, and build real income every week. I'll see you in the next one.